Okay, gentlemen, last question. Do you support efforts in the state legislature to legalize marijuana, either for medical or recreational use?
No. That's easy. I can answer that question. I'm against marijuana. I think it's the gate to other drug use. Now, I'm sure those people out there, the liberals who will say that, well, it really doesn't affect it. We have people in court every day. We had a kid in court the other day, and I know he'd been smoking before he got there, and he was a zombie. No, I'm against the legalization of marijuana. I'd have to see some real good proof to see that was medically approved, and perhaps in some cases it might be, and they get results as a result of it. But my thought is I'm against marijuana use as far as anything is concerned.
Okay, thank you. Mr. Martin?
Yes, thank you. Marijuana legalization is a very tough question. We do have states in the union where it's legal. As a matter of fact, the District of Columbia, which is what, a 4-hour drive from here, marijuana is legal for recreational use. A number of states are considering medical use. I personally am not in favor of legalization, even decriminalization of marijuana. It is illegal in the state of West Virginia. It should be prosecuted. Possession, distribution, sale of marijuana should be prosecuted just as any other drug. Fortunately, for a person occupying Gene's position, and hopefully mine or Mr. Simmons' in the future, we don't have the luxury of deciding what law we agree with and what law we don't agree with. We have the duty and responsibility of enforcing the law and prosecuting those persons who violate the law. Whether we think that marijuana is good or not doesn't matter and shouldn't matter. I don't want anybody to misunderstand. I am not in favor of legalization of any drug, particularly something that's a scheduled drug that is known to be subject to abuse. That is marijuana. That is methamphetamine. That is all of those. We are the persons, like Gene calls himself, and he correctly calls the prosecutor the gateway to drug court. Well, we are the enforcers of the law. We don't have the luxury of saying, well, we don't exactly agree with this law. That's for our legislature, and once our legislature makes a decision, then we act appropriately.